Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on removing your Facebook profile picture. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. I will be showing you how to do this on the Facebook app, but it will be the same settings on desktop too. Open up the Facebook app and tap on your profile picture in the top left of the homepage to get to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on your current profile picture, then tap See Profile Picture from the menu that appears. Tap on the three dots button in the top right corner of the picture and select Delete Photo from the options. Tap Delete on the pop-up. Your profile photo will now be deleted. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.